This is the pattern from the set that we're doing for Post Malone. So it's just the same base pattern, but we're gonna cut out obviously the crotch bit to make some chaps, and we're gonna keep it a slim leg instead of opening it up to a bootleg. And I wanna lower the waist on this one a little bit because the Post Malone set comes up to a high waist, and I want this to be 2, maybe 3 inches lower to be more of like a low waist vibe, because then I might wear something high-waisted underneath it. I don't really know what I'm wearing underneath the chaps yet. Gotta figure that out. But another thing we'll need to do is add, on the outside seam, we're gonna add a flap that goes over the zipper so as to cover the zipper and make sure that our fringe doesn't get caught in the zipper as I'm zipping. The pants I'm wearing kind of mimic the height of the Redwest ones, so I'm just gonna go for this instead of changing into the striped pants and see where I want the waist to sit. I think I'd want them to sit like this. Probably here. I'm imagining I'm gonna wear something high-waisted underneath the chaps for like layering, or I'm gonna wear a shirt that comes down to my natural waist, so I want a little bit of something bare between it. So I think I'm gonna do that. 1.5 inches brought down. Doesn't seem like very much, but makes a big difference probably. Let's do that. Plus that seems like a good place to start, because if I do it 1.5 inches and then I want to cut down more, I can do that. Whereas if I want them to be higher than that, I just have to recut a muslin draft, and I don't want to be doing that. So we'll start with 1.5 and then we'll try it on and see how we like it. Another thing to account for, I guess, is that we'll still have the belt, but the belt loop is included in this. So the belt would be like here. We cross those out so we know not to cut through those. That's not our cut line.
That's cute.
Is it kind of too sparse?
Double it up. Let's just see for funsies.
Because I could double it up here and then go to single down here, because they're all gonna fall this way.
Yeah. Okay, so this is single.
Okay, it's not bad.
Double, down low.
Okay.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, I don't know that I
think
have like
that's
such strong preference, single versus double. I might need to wash them first, because I like it a little bit more distressed, and I would hope that they would almost come to this color instead of this. Yeah. But then I have these beads. They're so much smaller than I thought they would be.
Tiny.
But I couldn't find the other ones, but they don't have holes in them. It's like a glue-on bead, just for like texture. So I might not end up using them. I just thought it'd be so cool if it looks good to do like a beaded pattern on them.
Cute.
And then have the fringe. But I'm gonna cut this up and then I'll have some excess. I know I'll have some excess. And usually people will do chaps in leather or suede, but I'm doing it in denim, and so I kind of want to wear leather or suede underneath it to do just like a, because they'll usually wear, yeah. So I'm thinking like leather shorts, and I have a leather top already that I could wear with it.
That's cute.
And just do all black for Noah Kahan. Because I'm starting with an already made pair of jeans, I'm just gonna take the belt and belt loops and everything off of that pair and use it for this. So I'm not gonna take the time to add seam allowance to the top waistband part where I was gonna use it, because I'm just gonna use what's already on the existing pair of jeans. I think the butt needs to be a little more scooped.
Yeah.
And then maybe this taken in, but we'll see once we get there.
But yeah, I agree. Like you gotta cut it down a little bit more.
And then maybe open this up a little. I kind of wanted them to be like this height once all is said and done though. But once the waistband's on, they'd be like high-waisted, so I think I need to drop them. those bum cutouts.
Cute. I think that's perfect.
Yeah, that's great.
And then the belt on top of it. So it'll be like here-ish, which is like kind of mid-rise, low-rise on me.
Oh my gosh.
That's fun.
That's so cute.
And then this will just go down a little bit more with the seam allowance. I'm gonna move on to cutting them out of the denim, but there's a couple things that I need to keep in mind when I'm cutting them out of the denim. I need to remember that I moved this in a little bit, so I'll need to pattern that a little bit differently so that I cut it a little bit differently. I'll make some marks on my muslin piece. I'm gonna make it 2 or 3 inches longer in the leg. Also, I need to add some extra seam allowance to the front flap here, or to the front. This side seam is where the tassels are gonna come out of, the fringe, and then the zipper is gonna be directly behind it. Disconnecting zipper, so the zipper is gonna end up under here. I thrifted these for $12, so that way I would have extra length, hopefully, and extra width to work with. And they're brand new Levi's. And now I'm gonna disassemble the black denim so that I can cut my pieces out. And I'm hoping that I have enough length in these pants to get extra length here. But we're not gonna use any of the existing seams, so it will be a completely custom project. I definitely don't need to be serging all these edges, but I don't want to put black on my serger again. And so I'm just serging all the edges so I can put it together and not have to worry about finishing edges later. At this point, I just need to baste them together. I don't want the legs sewn together because this is where I'm going to put my zippers, but my zippers haven't arrived yet. I'm still waiting on those in the mail. So I think I want to put them together because I want to take a look at what I want to do with the waistband, and I want to see how many layers of fringe I want to do over the butt here. I'm thinking 2, but I don't want it to look more dense than this. So I would like to put it all together, see how it looks. We can go from there. I was gonna do a little fold of denim to cover the zipper, but I don't want to add bulk. The more real reason is that I don't have enough denim, so can't do that. Whoops. At Michael's, looking for glue. We're looking for a glue that's gonna dry clear because that's how I want to adhere the beads. I got caviar beads that don't have any holes in them, so we're just gonna glue them on, but I want something that the glue dries clear. It also needs to adhere to fabric, so I'm gonna look at E6000, but I also Googled it and E6000 doesn't dry clear unless you get a specific fabric something. Oh, here's all the E6000. This is washer and dryer safe for use on fabric. Okay, that's cool. So many people talk about it. We're gonna get this. So far I'm thinking the E6000 is not actually gonna dry clear on black denim. I felt so confident about this. This was the only one I got. It's not great.
Not great.
It's still shiny underneath. This is the E6000. This is hot glue. Yeah, I don't know. And this isn't actually like sticking all that good. I think we just killed the idea.
I don't mind that.
Maybe I'll try like a super glue or something tomorrow.
Oh my gosh!
Isn't that fun?
What the heck?
Love it.
Preach! Those are amazing!
Thank you. I haven't done any of the top stitching because I'm waiting on the thicker black thread to come. And I'm gonna do zippers on the sides. And those are also coming from Walmart. I just took the waistband from the existing pants, which I'm pretty happy with. But I'm wondering if you have any other crazy ideas of how a waistband could look better. Or if we like this, do we leave the belt loops on it, or do we take the belt loops off, or do we make the belt loops shorter so it only touches the waistband instead of going onto the chap?
Yeah.
That is one.
Does it look sparse right here?
I think a little.
Okay.
Okay, I have my vote. On the count of three, we're not saying it.
Wait. I also have my vote.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay, Rach, you got yours?
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
We like the waistband?
Are you gonna wear a belt?
Maybe. I don't know how I'm gonna accessorize. I think it would be fun to wear a big belt buckle.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I think you should shorten
But
them
shortened,
Yeah.
definitely.
to the waistband.
That could be something that I leave until I know what accessories I want to wear.
Fair.
Yeah.
I can just put this on. That's totally fine. We left off when we were going to add the zippers because they hadn't come yet, and then they arrived, and they're massive. They're huge. So I don't know if I want to use them because they're going to be such an eyesore. Like, look at how big these zipper tabs are. It's like as thick as my finger. I wanted them to have some authentic chap flair with like the zippers down the sides and stuff, but I just don't know if it's worth it. I just don't know. Also, it's about 4 inches short, which sucks. So that clinches it. We're not gonna do them. We're just going to sew them up, which they're already sewn up, but I did this one so messy, so it's got some wrinkles in it. But that cuts out lots of steps for me because if you recall, I was gonna do a zipper, a flap to cover the zipper, but then I didn't have enough fabric to make the flap. And then the zippers came in and they're hideous, and Redwest is in like 2 days. So don't have time to get new zippers, which is fine by me. What I'm gonna do is undo this because there's this massive pucker in it, smooth that out, and then come in here and turn down this piece, turn down this piece, give us a little hem. I don't know what shoes I'm wearing with this outfit, but I'll need to stop the tassels like up here, I think, because when they droop down, I don't want them to be much longer than the pant is. So maybe actually like up here. Yeah. If that's the case, I could put the zippers in because the zipper stopped about here. I kind of want to put the zippers in. Oh, dang it. Why do I do this to myself? We'll see. We'll get there when we get there. I'm gonna sew these up first. I'd really like to get them wrapped up tonight. Today's Tuesday night. Redwest is on Friday. And I still have the Casey Musgraves outfit to make. Haven't really started it. So if I could get this wrapped up tonight, that would be awesome. If that means not putting in zippers, so be it. Let's do a little bit of disassembly. Love that. My thought is I might rather order like just a leather legging.
I was just gonna say, with how cold it is,
Yeah.
you actually might want to do that.
Have 2 layers on my legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the fringe is so
It's so
fun.
cute. I love it. Should I hem them or leave them raw?
I vote leave them. I also.
I think leave them. I'll just finish this up. And then this over it.
Oh, it's so awesome.
It's literally so good. Give her the hat. Give her the hat. It's so good.
Cute. Wow.
Wow. Okay, that's really fun.
And with the bomb.